Am I getting enough on there to see that there's makeup on there? Ugh! Oh!
Oh my god.
Is that my teeth?
No, it's actually not on your. Well, yeah.
I see you encroaching on my turf. It's recording, so you may go ahead.
Welcome back.
Yes, welcome back to the handful of people who've been watching these videos, plus Logan.
Yes, yeah.
I don't know how you found this channel or what you're doing here.
But you're welcome to stay.
Yeah. I imagine that the people who do watch these videos make it through about 4 seconds and they're like, this is crap, and they just click out of there. I don't blame them. Thank you for those 4 seconds of attention. They mean the world to me. So, what are we doing today? Well, tonight's date night, so naturally that means it's time for another makeup challenge!
Makeup challenge.
You're fucking up my hair!
I am not.
You're right, it was already fucked up. Thanks, hon.
It's always beautiful.
Ooh, quit touching it!
Hey, well, hold on.
Today,
Let
Junior,
them know what this is.
I have all this makeup that my boyfriend bought me. You're sending mixed signals, by the way, darling, because you say you don't want me to wear makeup, and then you buy me nice makeup.
You keep bothering me for it. You keep going, I have a good vlog idea. Buy me makeup, please.
Yeah, so I wanted to try doing a makeup no mirror challenge. Because why not, you know? I figure if I'm gonna be bad at it, I might as well make some kind of excuse to be bad at it. I pretend like I'm doing these wild challenges because I really want to wear makeup, but I'm just masking the fact that I'm really bad at doing makeup. We are doing the no mirror makeup challenge. Let's go.
That means you're not allowed to look at yourself in the camera.
I will not look at myself in the camera. Go like right here.
I
I promise you, I can do that. Somebody thinks I'm cheating, so I guess we're gonna just set up the camera differently.
Yeah.
I have a few teenage bumps.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do. I don't know why. I eat healthy. Don't look at them! I'm in my 20s. This isn't supposed to be happening to me.
Okay, you are centered framed.
Alright, first thing I'm putting on is foundation.
Foundation?
I am a soft ivory, I believe. I haven't worn real foundation in a long time. I think you're supposed to dab it on the back of your hand is what I read. I'm just gonna put it on my face because it's gotta stick like it's for your face.
Why start there?
Why not? You always ask why. Why not? I am hearing laughs of jealousy.
Yes, I am jealous.
I haven't worn foundation in over 10 years, so I have no idea how much is the right amount to put on. Okay.
That did not connect at all. Oh wait, you're not allowed a mirror. Is that dry already?
Don't stress me out! This is supposed to be a leisurely, relaxing activity for me. I can't even feel where it is now, where it's rubbed in all the way. Does it make it more or less entertaining the fact that I'm already so bad at this, with or without a mirror? Because I feel like if you've seen my previous makeup videos, then you would know I just suck at this, even with the help of a mirror. So I don't know if it's one of those things where it's like, oh, she's just bad at it anyway. It doesn't really make any difference with a mirror or without a mirror. You know, she can't even use like half the shit that's out there because she's allergic to it. So what can she do anyway? I can do my best. That's what I can do. It's not a smell. Smell it.
That's why all of y'all wear perfume. It's to hide the smell of the toxic makeup you rub into your pores.
That's why everything else is scented. Like those, what was it, cuticle scents?
Yeah, oh my god.
Cuticle scentsies?
Y'all are just walking chemical factories.
Gotta make it blend into my chin. Is it the right color though, at least?
Somewhat, yeah.
Somewhat, yeah. Look at that. It makes my hands look 10 years younger. Makeup hand? No makeup hand. What a difference.
There's nothing going on your hand at all.
It feels like it's in streaky clumps.
Is it helping or not helping the look on my face?
It's helping me realize that I'm doing a bad job.
Okay, then I won't react at all.
He's making this look.
No, you're not allowed water because then it's gonna make it drip off, right?
No, that's not how that works.
Okay.
Alright, I feel like I am thoroughly satisfied with the foundation layer. Now, I just watched a video on how to properly do this. I don't want to admit it to you, but I will admit it to you because it's a sign of how much I've grown by telling you this. I thought you were just supposed to take this side and just draw a line. What's going on with my hair? Where does this go?
It's being cute.
It's being cute?
Yeah, it's just being cute.
It's matching my makeup. I thought you were just supposed to take it and just draw a huge thick line right in the middle of your eyebrows. I was wrong. That's not how you do it. Well, what she did was she kind of did like, she was saying that she put like a line right here. How far out she wants to go. Is it farther than my eyebrows? Okay, there's a little dot. And then you want to kind of like find your arch by like going like this. It's a little dot. And then kind of like behind your eye like that. And that's how far out you want to go. A little dot. And then I'm just gonna take this. Where the fuck is my eyebrow? And then just kind of color it in. Will it do anything?
Not while I'm here.
How close am I to the... I put a little speck over here though, right?
Mm-hmm.
Am I at least close to it?
Mm-hmm.
Is it showing all my success? Can you tell a difference? Yeah? Good. Now we're just gonna fluff it up and come on downtown. I call this the everything eyebrow because it's everything to me. It's thick, it's bold, it's feathered, it's level with my eyebrow. I feel like it was a little bit higher though. Oops. And then we angle this a little bit where the arch is gonna be. We're gonna have like a nice little sharp arch. It's like, hello, fight me. Right around here is where the end of the eyebrow is gonna be. Are there 3 dots? Oh yeah, there's 3 dots. So I feel like I tried to get it colored over to where that first dot was. Hello, look at me now. Yes?
I have a question.
Yes?
What are you gonna do with the dots on your forehead?
What dots on my forehead? You're lying because you're jealous. Ignore those laughs of jealousy. Not the best color on my boyfriend, but he insists on being jealous of me. Can you tell that I'm ready to romance you?
Yes, I feel seduced.
Now we got eyeshadow. You pick a color. You're the one who has to look at me.
This one?
You want that one?
Yeah. You wanna try this one?
No. God, no.
I got it all fluffy now.
Do I want to try this one? This is so thick. What do you think I'm gonna do with
No,
this?
you're doing it the thick way. You do it that way.
I'm gonna stick with this one, thank you.
Alright, you.
I am using a paintbrush for this because I don't have a makeup brush, so what are you gonna do about it?
Sue me.
Say something, start something. It's okay, I know it will work. Look at my face. You can tell this is the face of somebody who knows how to make makeup work. Okay, so the videos I've seen, you do like 3 streaks. This side's gonna be the darkest one. And then the middle one is gonna be like the fun, shimmery one. And then the third one's gonna be more of a subtle kiss me. More of a subtle kiss me tone.
Kiss me.
3 streaks, can you see them?
Mm-hmm.
You can?
Mm-hmm.
Just imagine I'm like actually better at doing makeup like this without a mirror. The mirror's just been holding me back. The side of my own face has been holding me back. This is not the best brush for this.
Do you want to try this one?
No, it's too big.
Well, you just focus it on your eyelid like this. My method, you put it right there. How am I doing this? And you just go on the eyeball.
You're the one that's gonna look at this beautiful face all night, so.
It was a very beautiful face, by the way.
Blushy sparkles!
I mean, it started blending.
Am I getting enough on there to see that there's makeup on there?
Do you want me to turn on the fan?
To blow it away? Am I getting powder bits on my face? No! I do appreciate you telling me what's going wrong. I do appreciate that. It won't stop me. I've been going the wrong direction my whole life. I'm not gonna stop now.
I went backwards from start.
Now I'm gonna do a little bit of smoky under eye. That just came out of nowhere. I was like, whatcha? Let's add some artistic skill to that. Really show off to the fans.
Whatcha?
Can you see it on the camera?
Oh yeah, you can see it on the camera.
Is it that bad? Other people would say, girl, that's too much. I'ma say, girl, that's never enough. The more makeup I wear, the more he love me.
That's not how we work.
I'm a human guinea pig myself again and see if I'm allergic to this as well. Bam! Are they even?
No.
Are you sure you're not looking at it in the right light? Are you sure? Look at it from a different angle,
You didn't
maybe.
get your bottom lid on that other one.
Oh, that's right. Ta-da! Isn't she lovely?
She is lovely.
Oh, what's down there? Oh, and over there. Oh. Now, don't judge me for this part, but I am going to use lip liner for my eyelids. Why am I using lip liner for my eyelids? You wanna explain why, hun? You wanna explain what you did?
I threw out your eyeliner because it made you suffer. She's allergic.
That's just hop right up your nose.
Yep. She's allergic.
So So we're just gonna go and we're gonna go from here, where it is, there it is. And then we're gonna swing. Here we go.
Wow, I can actually see it in there. What?
Can you see what I'm doing?
So how many times do you think your average woman completely fucks up when they do their makeup?
From what I've seen, if the shorts that I've watched, the videos I've seen are any indicator, women don't mess up. They just don't. They just do a great job every time, 100%. No fails, no pores. I don't know how that works.
My ass. Oh my god.
And I just poked myself in the eye.
Yeah, you did. You like had no reaction at first.
I didn't register.
That's always disturbing to me. It's like a fly landing on your eyeball.
I didn't register at first. Just like, ow, that hurts. I must be doing it right. The mascara. Specifically, what is this? Jet Black mascara?
One was
True Black.
True Black, and the other one was Jet Black.
Yeah.
And I told you, what kind of black do you want? True Black or Jet Black?
Yeah, apparently there's a lot of different kinds of blacks out there. There's probably more than that too. There's
Yeah.
Midnight Black, Universe Black. We have Jet Black. Pop.
That thing sounds fun. I love the sound it has, though.
You wanna do it?
Oh, let me do it.
Give it a little pop.
Oh, yeah, it's like a little gun cartridge almost.
Pop. She loaded. My eye hurts from poking it. Now moving on to the eyelashes.
That thing looks like a torture device.
It is a torture device. Holy shit, that's so scary not having a mirror. Oh, I'm scared.
What's the point?
Do you not see a difference?
You will never be able to tell unless you are literally close enough to kiss.
Mm-hmm. That's why this is for the special someone. We might kiss this time. Oh!
Oh my god.
Yeah, I hate this. This is actually kind of easy, this part, because I can feel where the eyelashes are.
Yeah, now that you've activated all the pain receptors that are there. You got a whole lot of wishes to blow away.
Oh no! I felt it go right here.
Yep.
Oh.
It's okay. You got plenty of foundation to put on again. That fucking thousand yard stare. This 1,000 yard stare you got going on.
I'm focused. I'm concentrating. That's my concentration phase. Right. Last step. The reason I have black lipstick is because this is the only lipstick that I have. It's really expensive. I can only get one. We got the color that he likes the most. I hate black lipstick, but what I got. So the way that I saw to do this by somebody on YouTube was you start at the middle, or her, and then I forgot the rest. That was the first step though. Oh, there's the top.
Nope.
Oh, I think it's on my teeth. Is it on my teeth?
No, it's actually not on your. Well, yeah. I didn't see until it looked like you chipped your tooth.
And now we're good. I feel like I need to put more on right here, and that's not because somebody was pointing right there. I'm gonna apply a little bit more foundation because I feel like I was leaning heavily on my face. Oh, that smell. Smell again.
Oh god, every time.
Are you itching your chin because I need to fix my chin?
No, I'm literally just itchy on my chin.
Anything you touch on your face makes me really insecure about my face. You just did it again. What's going on, man?
Nothing.
What's wrong down here? What's wrong up there? I'm not looking at you anymore. Ah! Oh no! Was that one accurate? Oh no!
This is oddly intimate. It just keeps happening.
Oh no. Is it at least off my teeth? Or can you at least not see it?
you keep putting your lips down and it keeps going on your teeth. You know, you didn't do half bad.
Of course I didn't do half bad. I'm a lady. We can do this stuff with our eyes closed. And we probably should do it with our eyes closed because that's how you avoid getting poked in the eye by a lip liner pencil. Behold.
Oh shit, I'm so sorry. Beholdeth.
Behold what beauty looks like. Oh my god! That's a lot to take in! I like the foundation.
Where it took.
Where it took!
You missed right here.
Oh my god, I did! It looks like I got shot in the face by eyeshadow bullets.
You went heavy on it.
I didn't know. How the hell did I get so high up there?
Yeah. That's what I was holding in a laugh for.
I thought I did good at my makeup, but you actually did good at hiding how bad I did my makeup. Did you say this looks not half bad?
No, it's not half bad at all.
What is the matter with you? Which part did I do the best at, you think?
I think the lipstick.
I did
the
too.
best at the lipstick.
I did too, except for on my teeth. Well, here she is, the final product. Big, beautiful, bold. Makeup companies, I'm ready to do a sponsor with you. Hire me.
Maybe it's Courtney.
I don't like how the foundation definitely looks bad. Like, I can see like it looks like wrinkles.
Whenever you smile. Right here, this happens.
Ouch!
Ah, shit.
Ow.
It also, you know, a real... Oh my god, I got lipstick on your iPhone. That happens, and it creates natural folds in the skin.
Oh, that looks bad. Oh my god.
Well, yeah, makeup's always gonna accentuate any, like...
It accentuates the good, the bad, the old.
I mean, you're not old. And there's nothing bad about you, except for the makeup.
I spent 40 minutes on this for
I
you.
don't like makeup. The black lipstick is where I draw the line. That's the sexy part of it. The rest of it is just absurd.
Are you calling me absurd?
A little bit. Oh, it's pulling it. Did it make it nice and cramped?
Sure. Alright, I'm ready for my date with you.
Go on a date.
Thank you so much for watching this video.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.
Yeah, that too. I never say that. I never remember to say that.
Yeah.
We will be back next video.
Next video.
What is that? This week? Next week? This week? Next week? We'll be back.
We'll be back.
We'll be back.
We'll be back.